Hey my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. How are y'all doing today? All right, thank you guys for tuning in today, and let's have some fun in the kitchen. Today I'm just gonna make a little brunch, and I'm going to incorporate a Scottish dish. They use a special kind of fish, and the fish I have to use today is tilapia. So I'm going to make some tilapia. Here you go. Some tilapia lemon butter sorrel fish with braised beets and some mashed potato. But I won't be showing you how I make the mashed potato / salad because I did it in previous video. So that's gonna be behind the scene. So this is the rest of my ingredients. I'll be using some dry white wine, my savory spice blend, some sherry vinegar, oregano, dates, sugar, salt and pepper, and my mixed veggie for my potatoes. So, and over here it's a red onion, a lemon, orange, and some butter. And for the potato, it's already boiling on the pot over there. And that's my ingredients for today. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. See you in a minute. Okay guys, I already cut up my beets and my red onion here. I'm gonna season with some oregano, sprinkle some oregano over it. And I'm gonna cover this tightly and put it in the oven. That's already preheated, 400 degrees. And I'm gonna roast this for 30 minutes, all right? Okay guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on one side of the fish the side that will be facing up. So now guys, with a half a stick of butter melted, I'm gonna put my fish in, my fillet in for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna have that cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. So guys, I'm still going with the fish here. When you take it out of the pan, you just use 2 plates to keep it warm. And now I'm going to chop my sorrel. The sorrel actually, overnight, I put it to soak overnight, and then I squeeze it out so I can get it soft. So now I'm gonna chop it up. Guys, this is the butter that I was using to fry the fish, and I had the other half of it. Two tablespoons of sorrel. And just a little bit of lemon juice. Okay guys, so just for like 2 to 3 minutes, just 1/4 of my savory spice blend. Okay guys, I'm gonna make the glaze for my beets. I'm gonna put a half a cup of sherry wine vinegar and one tablespoon of dates sugar. So my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. Thank you for hanging in there with me. This is my brunch / dinner. And I'm here to present my roasted beets with sherry wine sauce and my tilapia fillet with sorrel and lemon. That's a part of a Scottish dish that I take and put Fergie's twist on it. And over here I'm having it with some potato salad and some sorrel drink. So there you have it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. It is actually delicious. So that's my brunch / dinner for today. And as you know, I feel the mind, the heart, the soul, and the body. Today's scripture will be coming from 3 John 1 verse 2. Beloved, I wished above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in good health, even as thy soul prospereth. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some comes to clear your path. All right? So ride with the storm. All right, guys? Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for watching in today. Please remember that Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.